Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining a single clear message. Save energy, save Earth. Once decided, gather materials and pick A2 or A3 so elements remain readable. Make a quick thumbnail sketch to position headline, main image, and 3 supporting facts. This saves time later. Use recycled paper and print one visual mock-up to test scale. As you organize tools, make sure to group colors and fonts. That way you can proceed directly to transferring the layout without stopping for choices. Now you build the poster. Block in the headline at the top using bold, high-contrast color so it reads from a distance. Once done, place a dominant visual, like a light bulb filled with a leaf, center-left in balance with 3 short fact boxes on the right. Make facts punchy. Use numbers and percent signs to show impact. Then refine spacing, align edges with a ruler, and test legibility from 3-5 meters. If letters look crowded, increase spacing or reduce word count. Finish by inking and cleaning up edges. Once dry, add call to action at the bottom. Turn off lights, save 30% energy, and check alignment one last time. Export a digital file at 300 dpi if printing or photograph under even light for digital sharing. When you print, start with a small test to confirm colors and margins, and then produce the final copy. If prints appear dull, increase contrast, remove heavy textures, or scale fonts up until readability improves. This resolves most legibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.